Word though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. To the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find the cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric. You could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the skeleton. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time and I've been forgiven. But I'm never forgetful, I kept it solid and simple. Stuck to the real, my word been a bind. Yours artificial, you frequent with the slip up. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things been gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely, lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, no, no.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Usher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
What's up, Zoom? What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing? Oh, what the hell? Why is this showing? Give me a second, guys. Gotta fix this chat box here real quick. Okay, so hope that's gonna fix it. Alright, so let's take a look at gold here on the daily. Of course, we are bullish overall. We're pretty much close to a all-time high. I mean, close to breaking this all-time high. So we've got our daily resistance here. And we've got a daily support. Got another daily support here. We got one here. I think that should be good. If you look at the 4-hour here. Alright, so pretty much at this 4-hour resistance now. Will today be the day we finally pretty much break this 4-hour resistance and this daily resistance to create a new all-time high. Excuse me, guys. Got this 4-hour support here. 4-hour demand. Take a look at. Okay, so my internet is tripping. Oh, I gotta fix this. Alright. We want our support. And we got one more support here. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Alright, so we're reacting to that resistance, but man, in order for me to take buys, sales, there's gonna have to be a breakup structure to the downside. So what we're gonna do here is to mark up this 1-hour demand here. Okay, let's take a look at the 30-minute here. Okay, that's the 1 hour demand right there.
Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. Oh my mama, I'ma move, I finally wait.
Yeah, I know that we could have got 1-to-1 if we didn't move the stop loss, but still okay. At least we got that nice 1-to-1 though in our NY session yesterday. Alright, so no 30-minute demand here.
Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey with me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done.
Alright, let's take a look at the 15.
I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it
Man,
stretch?
it's not the best, but it's still held. Alright. Oh, one more demand here that we can mark up. Alright, now we wait. We'll see if we're gonna get it set up today because we have CPI today.
I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right.
Good morning, guys.
Just can't hurt me, no, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no. See, it's hard to be polite, it's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate. Stop all the hate. Yeah, let's keep it real, it'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home?
Morning, morning.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to
Losing streak over. Yep.
people surround.
Hopefully. We had 3 back-to-back losses, so, and we've had 2 wins after that, so we're back. We started this month rough, but like I always say, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. Let me turn this music down a little bit, it's kind of loud.
But I think maybe you reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands in the box like Dilla. Love it when you heal up, will up, bring it back, come rewind.
Morning, Janice.
Back on your line, but I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as
Morning, Pie. You blew your account yesterday, yeah, because of revenge trading. Damn. Hopefully you've learned from your mistake, so you don't make the same mistake again.
Yes, he is, Gideon. Yes, he is.
What guy?
From when they're having that spat.
What's that?
That was like a couple streams ago.
Oh. They were arguing about something?
Yeah.
What was it about?
How about the dude's trade? You know, show the screenshot.
Oh.
Let me guess, you blew your account trading NASDAQ yesterday. I'm assuming it's a prop firm account.
Yeah, probably was a platform account. Is it a live account? Good morning, Danny. If it's a perfume account, well, hey, it's a perfume. Get another one.
Yep.
If it's a live account, shit, that sucks.
Man, I bet so many people fucking got annihilated on NASDAQ yesterday. You saw the chart. It was Doji City.
Yeah.
Giant dojis.
Can I check the left of the eye we are reacting from now? Yeah, we got a resistance there, but I'm looking for buys. The only way I'm going to take sales here is see if there is a break of structure, and the break of structure that I'm looking for, the first BOS to the downside is gonna be this below 25.15. Okay, pretty much the continuation. Now we can say this one also right here, but this zone right here has not been tapped or mitigated, as ICT will say. So if we break this one and actually have a pullback retesting a supply, I might take a sell. So if we come down and break below 25.19 and we do not come down to this 15-minute demand here at around 25.17 to 25.15, we get this, then I'll look to take a sell. But if we keep dropping, damn, excuse my drawing. Okay, but if we keep dropping and tap this demand here, this 15-minute demand, rejecting this 15-minute demand here between 25.17 and 25.15, I'm looking to take buys. Buys is what I am looking for. This bullish momentum is too strong for me to be looking for sales right now. You're in sales of the hourly resistance. Okay. Hopefully it keeps dropping so you can make some. You said what?
I think this thing looks primed for a breakout of the all-time.
That's what I'm anticipating as well. But is it gonna do it this session though? Because we got CPI.
Sure as hell it's not doing it this session. Wow, it was a live account. Yeah, once you take a certain amount of losses or a certain amount of percentage loss, you need to shut it off.
Yeah.
Walk away.
That's true. This bullish momentum got you scared on Asian. You didn't trade Asian. You didn't trade Asian session. We took buys though in Asian session. We only caught 25 pips though. We were looking for 50, but we only caught 25. Except if some people they move their stop loss and they caught the old 50 pips. It was looking good for us to get the 50 pips though in Asian though until this freaking candle that closed doji, and look at what it did. After that, it just went straight up. We could have caught the 50.
Actually, well, it didn't really go straight up. It took like fucking 4 or 5 hours to actually.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is like, it never came back down.
Yeah. I'm surprised it did that because what a strong move, and then it just no volume flatlined.
Yeah. It was the 15-minute supply that was there. It was reacting to the 15-minute supply. And then there's not enough volume for it to just push right past it.
It could have fooled me though. Shit, with the way it moved up. Not
Yeah.
enough volume. Damn.
Yeah, you're definitely right, Gideon. If you're not confident in a setup, there's no point taking it. Got 30 pips on a move that moved 170 pips by NY session. Oh yeah, we got 70 pips from that. Yeah, aiming for a 1-to-1 at least during Asian and New York session. London session, I'ma just get 20 pips and that's it. I'm still really testing 1-to-1 during Asian session though. Because if I do not do 1-to-1 during Asian session, I'm gonna at least do 50% of my risk to reward, which is what we'll be doing anyways. 50% of our risk to reward. We take 80% to 90 pips. 90 pips. 90% partials. We're not gonna move stops to entry right away. We'll move it to like, I don't know, depending on what the stop loss is, maybe if the stop loss is 50 pips, originally we move the stop loss to like 30 or 25 pips, half of 50, so that in case if price comes down, right, it's not going to stop you out at the 50 pips profit. It will stop you out at 25, so that you will still end up, making some money. Because Asian session doesn't have, the kind of volume New York session has.
Just based off of our stats, it's like the 1-to-1 for New York session keeps getting lower. It's been falling off.
Yep. That's why we're always gonna take money off the table, at least at 50% of the risk to reward. So if the stop loss is 70 pips, we take 80 to 90% at 35 pips and leave the 20 to 10% running.
Looks like ever since, what's that? So, looks like the end of June, start of July, the 1-to-1 for New York really fell off. Before that, it was pretty high percentage.
Yeah. The other two sessions will cover for it though. But man, yesterday was just... Did we even see drawdown yesterday during NY session?
Yeah, a little, yeah. So it tagged the entry during New York and pulled back a bit for the new candle.
Oh yeah, this candle, yeah. And then it was just no more drawdown after that.
Yeah.
Those are the type of trades I like. How you doing, Billa? Yeah, we might not get it right today, but we'll see. We've gotten a trade even though in CPI days, but not often. So we'll see what happens today. If gold wants to keep pushing up, then there's a very high chance we're not gonna get a trade. Because if it keeps pushing up and close above this previous all-time high, man, ain't no telling what's gonna happen. It might just keep going.
Man, I don't even want to trade it until after CPI if it's too close to there. It'll get crazy. Could explode, could dump
Like
hard.
like once it breaks.
Yeah, once if it gets like even like reasonably close to here before CPI, it's like I don't want to touch it.
Mm-mm. What I wanted to do now is, since we have created this high here, I just wanted to pull back, get back up there, do not break it, come back down, and range, 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 range. And then before CPI, like NY open, just come down, and then CPI, bam. This is what I would like to see.
You're dreaming.
I'm dreaming. Hey, I might be right with my prediction. You never know.
We'll see. Market's not gonna make it that easy. Damn.
The market has been giving crazy swings on both sides, buy sells this month. Yeah. You want it to go down all the way? Oh no, I don't want it to go down all the way. No. Man, I'm telling you, you want CPI to create a new all-time high today. You want that to happen, even if that would mean you might not get a gold trade on CPI or after CPI. I mean, still okay. It makes the rest of the week easier. The price action will be easier. I'm telling you. You definitely want CPI to create a new all-time high.
Nice strong daily closure above all-time highs. Otherwise, you're back into range mode.
Mm-hmm. If we take a look at the daily, you see all these wicks here, you need all these freaking taken out. You won't go to get rid of that. Why? Because it's going to make the price action easier. It's going to make the price action easier, and the reason why I said that is because all time frames is going to be bullish. 1 minute, 2 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Every freaking time frames is bullish. When you have days like that where all time frames is bullish or bearish, that's the cleanest price action you can get. But when you have days where the higher time frame is bullish, lower time frame is bearish, the price action those days, they're not very clean. Yeah, pretty much. Close your eyes and buy.
wish in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big guests on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, something like the baddest chick.
Man, did somebody say they're in sales already? Oh boy.
Man, pray that doesn't explode and then you get slipped by like 20-30 pips.
She got a chance because in order for it to really continue, it needs to break and close above 25.29. So still trading below 25.29. As this candle rejected the 1 hour resistance. Girl slept in profit yesterday. That's the kind of slippage we need. Yeah, that doesn't happen often.
The trims back in place. On the front.
So much liquidity up there. They're definitely gonna get it.
Yep, they
Are
would.
you using the DOM? Oh yeah, during Asian session, I was looking at the DOM, and there's like a huge order like here, then there's like another huge order here, another one up here. I had my like TP set for the middle one, had a little take profit for that one. Man, look at that nonsense.
Yeah. Man, it did play out though.
Yeah.
You want gold to get to 25.29 and take a sell.
A sell?
Good luck with the sell, reckon.
Yeah. What happened with NAS yesterday? Oh, it was super choppy like crazy. Basically, every candle was a giant doji. Luckily, I caught the very first move, so I sold the top and caught a nice quick win. Then just sat there and stayed away from it. I assume like a bunch of people probably got destroyed on NAS. I think I did the same thing the previous day. Yeah, so later in the day it tanked later in the day, like what's that? 200 pips and then straight vertical back up again, breaking the highs for like almost 300 pips. So crazy. Rinse and repeat, yeah. Jesus Christ. Gold makes a new all-time high today. You're done trading gold for today? Well, don't even show up for New York session.
Was that in his Zoom or YouTube?
YouTube.
Yeah. We don't stream New York on YouTube.
I don't know, I mean like don't even show up for trading. Forget
Oh,
about it. CPI comes out, that thing's gonna smash the all-time high, then who knows what happens.
currently no top wick in this candle. So based off of the momentum right now, we clearly know that gold has been creating highs and lows, right? So what we're pretty much waiting for gold to do now is to pretty much create a new higher low. The higher low could be created somewhere around this first demand for price to continue to the upside, or it could do it at the next low, which also means there is a demand there. Pretty much if it does not break this low, which is down here, because this is the low that created the high, we can still go back up. So it could come all the way down here and then have the move all the way back up for gold to create a new high. And this is how you pretty much trade supply and demand if we have a bullish structure or a bullish momentum. And let's say price is creating lower lows, lower highs. Okay, now if price creates a new low and we start pushing up, price could create a new lower high at around this supply and continue to the downside. Could do it at the second one, or you could do it at the high that created this low and continue to the downside. This is pretty much how you trade supply and demand. Is very easy. Very, very easy. You just need to understand momentum and structure to be very, very good at it. Because once this high is taken out, it's time for you to start looking for buys. Same thing if we have a bullish structure, bullish momentum. If this low gets taken out, it's time for you to start looking for sales. This right here is nothing but minor, and you have your major here. Same thing here. Minor, and you got your major here.
King, just a question.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're saying structures being taken out, what time frame are you looking at? Essentially,
15 minutes.
Only the 15 minutes. So you wouldn't look at higher time frame.
I'll use the higher time frame to understand the overall structure.
Right.
That's all. That's the only reason why I'm using the higher time frame. That's all I need it for.
Okay. And that's, you only look at a 15 minute because you're looking at sort of 20 pips on a move potentially. Anyway.
I mean, because I'm a day trader, I'm a scalper, so I'm either going to take my entries on the 15 or on the 5. So
Yeah.
all I need on the 15 or on the 5, it's a minor BOS or a major BOS to tell me what position I need to look for.
Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Stacy Burke Trading. He is a trader that talks about rinse and repeat scalable setups. Did you just say Stacy Burke is a he? That's a trap, son.
Stacy Burke. I think I've heard that name before. Stacy Burke. I think I've heard that name before. Oh, it's a dude. He's whoever said that is right.
Damn, man. If I'm going out to meet Stacy and I see that guy, I'm leaving. I got catfished.
I've had that name before, but not just. I don't know what it is. I actually thought it was a female too. How about man said trans? Yeah, I won't name my son Stacy. Oh wow, Pi is talking to you.
I'm sorry for assuming someone's gender Pi.
Could get a 5-minute entry today.
Oh, here it comes.
Out of all this demand we have here, I prefer this one.
My Forex funds is coming back.
Man, they ain't never coming back.
What happened with them?
My
Did they
Forex
scam
funds.
or they closed?
You don't know what happened with my Forex funds?
I can't remember which one because I know we've talked about scams before, but I don't know. They all have the same name.
Oh, yeah, pretty much.
Oh, okay. So they're the scammy one.
Mm-hmm. I maxed out my frozen funds. It's very shady. They were purposely stopping out traders, sleeping traders.
Yeah.
It wasn't like that before. The CEO got greedy. It was good at first. That's what money would do to you. Start getting greedy. If you're looking at Forex prop firm, honestly, I only tell you to go with either FTMO, the 5%ers, or Alpha Capital. That's it. Those three. Those are the three I would recommend. Whose dashboard? My Forex ones? You're welcome, Didi.
Isn't there another company like called My Future Funds, right? MFF.
My future funds? I don't know about that one. Doesn't it look overextended to me in gold? Man, that shit don't work on gold.
Oh, My Funded Futures. Okay. Yeah, their names are
Oh
also
yeah,
similar.
yeah.
They need unique names like Apex, Top Step.
And also, Gabby, if I can call you that, as supply and demand trader, you don't need to worry about overbought, oversold because you're not a Bitcoin trader. You're not buying highs and selling lows. You're doing the opposite. You're buying lows and you're selling highs. That's the difference. So you ain't got to worry about overbought, oversold. You ain't got to worry about none of that. Excuse me.
Yeah, that's something that's really good about supply and demand. There's no such thing as overbought and oversold for it.
Nope. You're pretty much buying at a cheaper price. And that was a great supply and demand explanation that I did that really simplifies and uncomplicates the thinking process of it. Can I explain why I draw my S&D levels using different higher time frames instead of just off of the 15-minute? So the reason why I started doing it like this, it is pretty much me using all the time frame supply and demand zones, is because when we're marking up our support and resistance, we start from the higher time frame, right? Even though we're trading on the lower time frame. So if we're doing that if we're doing that with support and resistance, then what's stopping us as supply and demand traders doing the same thing? Okay, doing the same thing. And another thing that I do realize is that when you trading, for example, here on the 15-minute time frame, and you're looking for buys, you're expecting price to pull back to a 15-minute demand, there will be times where price would not get to that 15-minute demand, and you'll be like, oh man, price didn't get there, but we did have a minor break of structure, so I'm gonna look to take a sell off of the new supply that was created. You take it, and then you end up losing, not knowing that price actually tapped a higher time frame demand zone. Okay, because you can find demand and supply on all time frames, and that's why I use it. A lot of supply and demand traders, they just mark up their demand zones on the time frame they take their position on, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that, but I do mine differently.
Also, I think the 30 demand that you drew up right there is a perfect example of a good reason to use a 30 demand. Because sometimes you'll see this little consolidation zone. That whole thing is a demand rather than just marking the 15-minute candle.
Yeah. As if we look at the 1 hour, for example, we don't have a demand right there. This is the 1 hour demand down here. But we have one there on the 30-minute. You're welcome. Using Streamlabs, stream is dropping frames. Yeah, I understand it, Kenny.
Trying to shake the momentum soon as I find a cadence. Leave it all on the record if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bar's been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the skeleton. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is the change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often. I set the expectation, now I navigated dolo. Unclear on praises you gave when there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. All we got is the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things were gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of.
I just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. Lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely. No, no.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no French toast, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
See what happens when this candle closes. I don't use pending orders. I don't use buy stuff or none of that. Doesn't matter what level challenge you start with. I mean, start with what you can afford.
Oh, that's where it dropped pretty far. Whoever took the sell, he's happy.
Yeah. See about 50 pips stop loss here, guys.
$100 to 1 million USD challenge. Yeah, that seems totally doable. YouTube. $100 to 1 million USD is the new challenge in town.
They're already saying that's a scam. It's scamming people.
I mean, it makes sense. I mean, what? Are they giving you 1 week to do it? 5 days? 5 trading days? I think 5 trading days is a good amount of time.
Wait. From $100 to 1 million in 5 days?
Yeah. No? Is that not realistic?
I would like to see it. I would like to see that person. Become my mentor, please.
Man, I don't need them to become my mentor. Just fucking, here's $200. just take it, turn it into 2 million for me.
Said I'll give you half of it. Possible entries and futures is gonna be 25, 25, 53.4.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.
Even after they say they can't do it, and it's crazy. They find out they make out the machine, so why even try it? You see this movie 100 to 1 million. It's the one and only Chuck Norris. Once you hear other field, it's go time. You hear other field, it's time to take buys.
All I know is I don't trust ICT, so if he says you can't do it, that means you can do it. Believe. The new highs is coming today.
Trying to touch the states this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Alright, I mean, guys.
What's your TP on futures?
I'm just doing training.
Yeah.
I'm not doing one-to-one during London session.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, and the lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No. See, it's hard to be polite. It's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate. Stop all the hate right now. Yeah. Let's keep it real. It'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah. So be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek.
You're going for 10 pips, Nicholas? Alright. We're going for at least 20. That happens.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder.
Wow, please take over for me real quick. Gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back, guys.
To where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy.
Want to see a retest at the 1 minute. 1 minute command, I'm assuming. What I want to see is basically something along the lines of like I would say this, like this big fat giant candle right here.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look
Yes, he is in.
Well, just do that candle again. Leave it. That was quality.
Here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance. I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands in the box like Dilla. Love it when you heal up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Try to have your X-Man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bet you I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can can talk to me, boy, and you can move in up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance. I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Well, keeping us company after your W. Much appreciated.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad. Let her ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, through that I survived, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit him to the sky, changed haters on a tirade. Talking to their crib in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bib. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while
Taking a demand at support is crazy work. Resistance you need.
piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love. That's just how I'm made.
In the glass in the mirror. Threw it at me, old man, trying to pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up.
Yes, that is definitely a daily resistance. And that will be the final TP. Actually, probably not. Like, honestly, you should hold the runner and just fucking hope CPI goes straight north and doesn't do some crazy bottom wick, top wick craziness, shake you out. CPI might do what NFP did. Yeah, definitely could. Yeah, he's in the trade. Wait, we're in the buy? Fuck. Fuck. We're in the buy. Damn it. I took a sell.
Nah, not again. Damn it.
Nada.
Fuck.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. Drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know.
Yes, I'm definitely bullshitting.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Hit you with the text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard you scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, side of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard you scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circle, still the same game. We just get to it, we don't
Yesterday's presidential debate did not move the markets. Oh well. I guess CPI is more important.
Jay Smith, congrats, bro.
What happened?
He's getting a fat check.
Oh.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks to you, King. Appreciate that. All that work and going through your own manuals. It really works, man. Just put the hard work in.
You're welcome.
Oh man, nice, nice. 23K. Wow, nice.
And I'm saying to all the guys on YouTube, just sign up, learn, and you will learn from King, which will then hopefully reward you. You listen, not learn from the best.
Okay, Jay. So, where do I sign up for your signals?
Did you say signals?
Hashtag J Smith signals.
Actually, that's got a little ring to it. Actually, I haven't got. I don't think I'm confident enough to produce signals, and I don't have it in me to rob people's money. I'd rather just lose my own money and trying to win my own money, not taking no risks for anyone. But yeah, learn from King. We'll get there. I knew there would be a taxman question. There's always one taxman in the chat. But yeah, everything's tax deductible, obviously. So what you do is set up your own business account, and there we are. Everything goes in there, and you do your self-assessments every year. To answer to your question, but everything's taxed. Yeah, futures is less taxed than Forex, so speak to a tax advisor or no tax advisor. Get your own tax advice with caution. That's what I advise.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ser una.
See, what are we looking like on the 5 minute? Is good he or she? Did I use she?
that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, I won't let her. We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and
Create the bottom week and flip now. It created the top week.
Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Whap, whap, straight eat. We go forever and ever.
We took the Asian session bias because the debate was going on at the time. I was expecting like gold was just gonna keep pushing up.
Yeah.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, get it all. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and
We run out to all-time high or no. I'm just gonna get 20. That's what I'm going for down in London. New York and Asian runners.
Spring, spring, spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team.
Hey, what's going on, Gabby?
Keep a couple cars, no lean.
You got in at the 1 minute FVG.
I can never leave my man down.
Beautiful.
Whatever that means.
I hope you made bank on your turtle soup.
What's the
Executed
name
with
of
the silver bullet.
this track? What's the name? Ring Ring.
Order filled.
Order filled.
There we go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I got what we needed. And I'm out on all accounts. Forex and futures. If you took this trade, congratulations. Spam W's in the chat. And please get me to 100 likes. I'll be greatly appreciated.
Man, only 44 likes. Come on, guys. We need to start doing the poll. Got to do the poll.
Yeah, and we had 200 plus watching. How many we got now? Yep, as soon as the 20 pips got smashed, They started leaving without liking.
Damn, Gideon. Remember that guy who said we were crazy for taking a demand at the resistance?
Oh, someone said that?
Yeah, he said we were crazy. Rest in peace, brother. I will say one thing. Sorry, go ahead.
This two should even give it 1-to-1.
Yeah. I was gonna say I fucked up. I took 2 positions. I was supposed to leave a little bit of a runner, like close half of my second position. It went up too fast.
Oh, and you
It
closed
fucking
both of them?
yeah.
Damn.
I was like, fuck. Oh well, whatever.
If you've taken partials already, I would at least, and you want to stay in this, instead of leaving your stop loss here at 50 pips, I would at least move it below this week to like pretty much 27 pips. Move it below this candle. Or you can leave the original stop loss, depending on whatever you want to do. But me personally, that this is where my stop loss will be. Because if it's going to continue, it should not come down and pretty much break this previous bullish candle. If that happens, then there's a higher chance we could, even if we don't close below this low, could come down, then we test the next demand again and, you know, try to push back up. So let me
Made $9 on my 2.5 funded. Man, is that $2.5 funded? Because $9, that's like, man, that's almost 400%. Fucking killing it.
So they made what? $9?
$9? Hey, if it started at 2.5, you know, that's a lot. Oh, 2,500 funded. Okay, is that even? That's not even 1%. Damn. You under risked.
It's better to under risk than over risk.
That's true. You should have risked at least $25 on that trade.
Man. Oh, it's 11. Hmm? Next year we won't have to use this Dunn's journal anymore.
Yeah. Definitely don't want to use it anymore.
Really?
I'm being serious. You definitely don't want to be using it anymore. Just the name of it is not good.
Yes, because of what happened.
Yeah. I'm surprised no information's come out about it since 1-2 weeks already or whatever it's been. That dude's really in hiding, man. He's fucking gone. He's never coming back.
You never know. You still got a chance to come out and say something.
At this stage, if he comes out and says anything, I just want him to come out and just like fucking put like one of those stupid troll pictures and just post it up on his YouTube and never message again. Just to really rub it in.
So you look at gold now. We are currently reacted to this 5-minute supply here. You have a minor BOS here previously. We know this demand held, which is fine. However, if this thing comes down and break this low, that means gold is going to come down lower and probably continue until CPI. Demand held did what it's supposed to do. Now, this demand can still hold again as well. It can come down and hold this demand, or we could break the demand. But if this demand holds, and then that means we possibly could be in a range between 25.29 and 25.20, 25.19 until CPI. So you could see that happening. This was NY session, man. I would have held this thing for a 1-to-1 at least. But London, I don't trust London session with 1-to-1. You're welcome, Gambino.
You heard he's still taking trades in his MAM account? Man, let me check his journal again.
Does Spy still love Dunn? I don't know. We're gonna have to ask him.
Nah, man, his journal has not been updated since the 28th of last month.
Why doesn't London give 1-to-1 like New York? Well, first of all, we are trading gold. It doesn't have the type of volatility New York session has, and volume as well. Sometimes you would get 1-to-1. I mean, we've been here that sometimes gold give 1-to-1 or even more than 1-to-1. But for me personally, because gold is really, really an NY session pair, I would rather look for 1-to-1 during New York session than London session. NY session has more volatility, more volume, compared to London. You have a higher chance of getting that 1-to-1, 1-to-2 though in New York compared to London session. And lately, Asian session has even been better than London session when it comes to trading gold. I don't know about GJ, but gold, yeah, for sure.
Oh, I would assume GJ for sure is going crazy during Asian session because of, you know, the whole Japanese crisis
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, we would assume it will. At least it should. Can't even remember the last time I looked at GJ. Damn, it's been a while. It's been months. You said what?
Don't look. Don't even do it. Don't think about it.
I mean, I looked at NAS yesterday. We didn't trade it.
Yeah, I know, but that's you're going. You're starting to walk down a dark alley. You know.
Yeah, we're just talking, comparing.
What's that trading NAS?
Huh?
Did you say trading NAS is going down a dark alley?
No, you said GJ.
Oh, GJ. Oh, yeah. Because you used to trade GJ all the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
GJ gold.
Yeah. Well, man, there was a time GJ was bay. It was wifey.
Doing some back testing on GJ. There's quite a lot of movement during Asian, I think, what I was just saying. So, yeah, I don't like GJ. GJ is not my friend.
What happened with us and GJ? Man, I don't know, man. GJ just stopped working for us.
Oh, TP smashed. Let's go.
GJ didn't like us anymore.
Who's that?
Hmm?
Who doesn't like us?
GJ.
No, never did. Oh, what was all this in the chat? Does Pi still love Don? Man, I used to like Don when I first started. Yeah, don't hide that. I used to watch his stuff. I used to think he was good.
I mean, to be honest, he was good.
Yeah, I like Don. I like him. I like his introductions on his.
Man, he was big up loving himself, wasn't he? With
Yeah, literally. The introductions were cool with the music and everything. But he used to just get copyright all the time to play his music, copyright strikes.
I didn't agree with his strategy, but I did believe he was a good trader. So
Keyword was.
You said what keyword was?
Yeah, keyword was.
I mean, he's not streaming anymore. That's why I said was.
Nah, he hasn't been good all year. Let's be real.
I love when Wall gets on a roll about Don.
I'm just trying to, bring reality back into the equation.
Wow, never liked that.
No, I liked the guy like early on, and then Pi brought to my attention that actually he's lying about some stuff, and then that was when I hit the switch and I was like, oh no, don't like that.
Yeah. I started to get very suspicious.
And then he blew the account at the start of the year, and then after that I was like, nah, that's not pro trader. You don't do that. By pro, I mean professional. That's your actual occupation.
Yeah. So gold, I just want to see what gold is going to do here. If it's actually going to break the lows, because now the demand held, like I said earlier, 5 minutes supply is held as well. So, however, You also do have a 5-minute demand here. This 5-minute demand could hold just to fake out the sellers and break these highs. So I want to see what she's gonna do.
Trend line adjust this.
Where did it start from? Where's the bottom? Started from this one here?
Yeah. This bottom candle there, that very first week. That one there.
Oh, this one. You see, I wouldn't have drawn it the way you do it. I would have drawn it like this because I use the wicks.
Oh.
So we pretty much.
I don't really have.
We still pretty much need one more touch to make this trend line complete. It's not complete yet. You need A, B, and C. This is point A, touch B. You need one more. If the third touch reject, it should go up. If it breaks, you test the trend line, you take this out. Pretty much kind of trading, you're taking a supply trade.
Since I don't trade trend lines, I don't do it technically, but it's like the easiest way to know the direction. It's like you just like connect the dots. It's like if you can touch a bunch of candles in that direction, it's like okay,
Yeah.
It's like that's the direction, guys. And you're not in the downtrend until you can like really start going down. Otherwise, it's just a pullback.
Very much. I like this ATM thing on Tradeovate. Man, I'm so happy you showed it to me. Wow.
It's good.
Guys, can I ask? Not on the call. Maybe like if we get a bit of quiet time in New York, can you just take me through just Top Step? And this I might try and get an account, but just be useful just to understand how it all works, what the difference is with futures, etc.
Sure.
Thank you, man.
Is it now or down in New York?
Yeah, do it during New York would be great.
Okay.
Just be useful just to have a little look.
You get it before New York, or you just wanna?
I just want to find. Yeah, I'm not gonna get one just yet. I just want to just want to know a little bit more from people that use it. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, I'm impressed with Jay Smith. Holy shit.
What a legend.
23K? Yeah, it's like, what the hell's going on? How'd you get that so fast?
Huge shout out.
It's probably, with them, you can connect your accounts, so it's probably multiple accounts.
One account, guys. One account, just to let you know. FYI.
How long did you wait before you requested the payout?
So I requested it last week. Last week, Wednesday.
Was that a 150K account?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I only trade 150 accounts. I don't trade anything less than that.
Okay. So how long did you wait before you requested it? Is this your first payout?
No, this is my third payout.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
I had my. I started my account. I started my account on the 16th of the 2nd of August.
2nd of August. Okay. Pretty much a month and a few days and a week, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really fucking fast. That is really fast.
Yeah.
I was actually quite
When
surprised they paid out on that, because obviously I'm certified funder with them now. They moved me to funded account straight away. As soon as I got past got the Express account, I was probably like maybe a week or two into my Express. And I mean, obviously they could see that my win rate was like 70%, 72% within a month, which isn't that amazing because it's only a month, you know.
I'm assuming you're getting like over 1-to-1, right?
Win rates on a year essentially. So I'm kind of looking at it. What I finish on
your trades. Yeah. Your trades are over 1-to-1 RR, right?
Yeah.
Jay Smith, amazing.
Yeah, I think
the legend.
I think it's just I mean, I've just literally opened another account with them just now. I'm just you can only get one actual Express to funded account. But you can have an Express account. But if you basically trade that Express account, whatever capital you build on that, you can then move it over to your actual certified funded account. So that's the plan. And obviously, whatever balance, you can only withdraw 50% of your balance. So I didn't do 50%. I actually done 20%. So I wanted to have a buffer in my funded account.
Yeah, that's smart.
So, yeah.
Are you taking the same trades as us and holding for over 1-to-1? Or are these your individual
some
trades?
of the trades I'm taking, some of them I have been taking them on my own, I must admit. I think I took the trade yesterday, which was a L, but I think we came back on that one. I think, didn't we? It was a London session and we traded New York. But majority of the time I've just been kind of back testing NAS and working with NAS, trading NAS essentially and gold. But yeah.
Are you using supply and demand or something else?
Supply and demand, yeah.
Same entry or sniper entry?
It would depend just on market structure, whether it's a sniper, because I think sniper entries come in at a certain time. But I mean, I generally trade the Asia session anyway when I'm, if I'm looking at a position. Generally find that there's a little bit more calmer.
So are you using the old way I used to mark up the charts? 4-hour candle highs, lows, daily highs, lows?
Exactly that.
Okay.
And I think I said it at the start, is that I know you've got a new way of trading, so obviously I was kind of a little bit taken back by that, but I've just kept going through the videos and actually looking at where price sits and where supply and demand sits, and it's generally the 4-hour highs, 4-hour lows, daily highs, daily lows. As long as you're trading out of that and you're waiting for confirmation, and if it's a breakout and you just wait for the retests, then it's just just simplifying all of that, but looking at market structure as well. Yeah, there's a number of confluences that I look at, but overall it's just the market structure and the breaker structure as well. There's a break.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it up, then teach us, man, because 70% win rate on over 1-to-1 RR, that's very good. That's very, very good.
Yeah.
And I've been having this sore throat for like freaking for the past 3 days now. It feels to go away.
When are you doing signals?
I mean, personally, I don't think I'm
top step, Rodrigo.
100% consistent enough. to do all of that. I would say, yeah, I'd leave that to King, or leave that to the other.
No, you're doing really well, man. Just consistency is gonna be key.
I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that part to a while.
What? What? Leave what to me?
Signals.
Oh. Man, I'll give out my NAS signals, but literally by the time I send it, I'm already secured in profit, not break even.
Yeah. Really enjoying trading futures though. I mean, I've got
me too. It's just the platform thing that still trying to get a hang of, but I like it.
Do you use Tradervate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Top step. Yeah. I'm just hoping to get on that leaderboard with Top Step.
Oh, welcome, Ricky B. Check your email. You should get an email from Whoop. Check your email, log in, and then you just follow the instructions and you'll get access to the private Discord. Oh, I need ginger, lemon, and honey, all fresh. Alternatively, try a commercial ginger shot. Ginger, lemon, and honey. So let me take a picture of that.
But yeah, hi, trying to happy to answer any questions you got on Top Step.
Yeah, thank you guys. I've obviously been listening to what you guys did, a bit of research, but it'd be great just to just to understand a little bit more. I want to be part of the order field.
You got Apex. You were with Apex still?
No, Alpha Capital.
Was it Alpha? Sorry.
Yeah.
Didi, does it have to be? Does it have to be hot? Do I have to drink it hot, or it doesn't matter?
Definitely drink it hot.
I should get a immune booster. Okay, immune booster.
Yeah, you should get those probiotics, immune boosters, some of those things.
All right, thank you, Didi.
The easiest way to get probiotics is yoga.
Yoga? Man, yeah. I don't think I can do yoga. I'm not that flexible.
It's not that bad. Fruit yogurt, you know?
My flexibility is 0%.
Damn. Oh, you guys got your cold over there?
Yeah. I mean, no. We got what? Wait, what did you say?
Yakult.
Yoko?
Yakult. Yakult. It's like a tiny little drink. It's like very small and it's a probiotic drink. Just tastes like sweet milk or something like that.
I don't think I've seen that one.
Okay. Then you'll just have to buy those like little vitamin bottles with probiotics in them.
I guess I will be going to Walgreens again. Said immune booster. Justin, which one do you think is going to be better? It doesn't matter.
I bet immune booster probiotics, that's going to be better than, anything. Because it'll just fight off all, sicknesses.
I don't feel sick on anything. It's just sore throat. Just won't go away. Oh, yogurt. Is that what you said? You were saying yogurt? Well.
No, it's called Yakult. But yogurt has probiotics, but then there's this drink called Yakult.
I don't think we have that here. Let me see.
Yeah, DD wrote it in the Zoom chat. YAKULT. Yeah, there you go. Tiny little drink. You just really easy to drink, full of probiotics.
Oh, I've never seen this drink anywhere in the US.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I've never seen this drink before. Usually, oh, wait, they got it in Walmart? What?
Yeah, there you go.
Wow, I've never seen it before.
Yeah, you should get one of those.
You even have
It's good
it
for when
on-
you're sick.
Get it on Amazon too. Oh, but not Prime. Okay. I'll go look for it at Walmart. To be careful which brand I got. Some of them are full of sugar. Oh, okay. All right, YouTube. I appreciate you all. You guys didn't get me to 100 likes. It's okay. No worries. God bless you all. All my links is down below in the description. I appreciate you all. See you guys again tomorrow. All right. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zim. I'll see you guys in NY session. Let me see.
Thanks,
I
Ed.
think the only news we have today is CPI, right? So, okay, we start NY 30 minutes. Pretty much exactly at NY open, 7 a.m., 30 minutes before the news.
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you guys then. Yeah, 3 red folders, but they're all the same time. Right? Isn't that what I just saying? Yeah, they're all the same time.
Can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me.
When I to the page, I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curb them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas in me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on the necklace, bitch.
Yes, Apollo with the grid.